Well, I hope all of you appreciate this because we just climbed a huge mountain in Vietnam. I'm exhausted right now to get to this beautiful forest of Cassia here right now, and I'm here with my friend Peter from Essential Oils Vietnam. Peter, can you ask how long they have been working with Cassia here at this farm?
She said that she has been working with the Cassia tree about 10 years before until now.
And this Cassia trees here, they help to provide an income for her family?
She said the Cassia tree really bring a lot of benefits for all the family around in this community.
And so the Cassia tree here, so they use different parts of it. So they use the bark part for spices, and then the leaf and the twigs for the essential oil. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
What makes the quality of the oil so good from these Cassia trees?
She said for the beginning, when the tree is still young, they care about the tree, and after about 4 or 5 years, it will be natural growing, because natural growing could prevent the bad quality for the essential oil and also for the part of make for spices.
Yeah, do they use any artificial pesticides or fertilizers or anything like that?
This is the natural growing. They never using any chemical, any pesticide.
What are her favorite uses of the Cassia tree?
She said she often using the Cassia oil for the massage, to pain relief, or make the aromatic for the relaxing.
Can you tell me about how many jobs does this provide?
She said about 4 to 5 people when they come here to the care the tree, or the harvesting, or the casting the plant or the leaf. They hold the family member together, come here for working, and her family have 4 members.
So it supports lots of people from her family. Very good. Well, thank you so much for letting us come and see your beautiful Cassia trees. It's so neat to see such a beautiful part of nature, but also how much you care and how passionate you are about Cassia. And then we can do this.